Welcome to our battery replacement video series. Today we'll be going over how to replace the battery in our MegaVox Pro 7500 unit. Please make sure your unit is powered off before proceeding. Step 1. Remove screws around the back panel. Step 2. Slightly remove the back panel and disconnect your battery and speaker cable, as well as any wireless cables if the unit has wireless microphones. Step 3. Once cables are disconnected, remove the back panel and place to the side. Step 4. Remove the 2 large screws on either side of the unit to release the battery bracket. Step 5. Once released, please remove the battery bracket and battery. Step 6. Unplug the battery harness from the old battery and plug into the new battery. Make sure the red cable goes to the red battery terminal and the black cable goes to the black battery terminal. Step 7. Reinstall the new battery and battery bracket and secure with screws. Step 8. Reconnect speaker and battery cable and any wireless connectors and reinstall the back panel. Warning: when connecting the battery harness, make sure to connect it to the battery connector, not the horn drive connector. Congratulations, you successfully installed a new battery into your unit.